after yesterday turned out to be pretty pleasant post-storm.
Exactly. And you can see the map over my shoulder. Doesn't it just make you feel cooler when you're looking at the blues and the purples? That's
soothing blues.
Soothing blues. I like that. As we look at the temperature change, we are a lot cooler this morning than we were yesterday at this time. So we're talking about 11 degrees cooler in Westminster this morning. Also Columbia, Frederick, more of the same. Look at Thurmont, 14 degrees cooler this morning than we were yesterday at this time. 12 at the Inner Harbor, Middle River, and Aberdeen, both coming in at 9 degrees cooler, 8 in Annapolis, and 7 degrees cooler in Stevensville and also Easton this morning. Temperatures are on the seasonal side, especially in Parkton, but a little bit above that. But the fact that we are dry and we're going to stay dry throughout the day, we will definitely take it. The kids heading to the bus stop, no worries. Let's get a check of the traffic now with Laura.